Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use classes on QuickBooks. So first, you may want to head over to QuickBooks, and from here, also make sure that you're logged into your account. And to start, we're just going to click on the settings button, then click on account settings. Next, in the left panel, click on advanced. Then in the categories section, we're just going to click on this. And from here, we're just going to toggle track classes on. And from here, you have an option to be warned when a transaction isn't assigned class. Then next, start assigning classes, whether one to each row in transaction or one to entire transaction. Next is proceed by clicking on save. And we're just going to click on the done button. Next, we're going to create class categories. And to do that, we're just going to click once again on settings. Then under lists, click on all lists. Then next, click on classes. And we're going to start by clicking on the new button. And we're just going to give our first class a name. We can name it Marketing, West Coast, or Event A. Then once done, just click on Save. Another thing is when you're creating an invoice, expense, or check, look for the class column. So I'm going to show you. Just click on the new button and say, for example, we're going to create an invoice. And from here, you should be able to see the class column on this section. And from here, just assign the appropriate class to each line or the whole transaction. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!